Welcome back to Top Product Reviews. If you're searching for the top 14 best blender machine that can handle smoothies, ice, sauces, and more, you're in the right place. I've tested, compared, and reviewed some of the most popular Amazon blenders, so you don't have to waste time or money. Whether you're a fitness lover, busy parent, or kitchen enthusiast, there's something here for you. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Personal Smoothie Blender 600W. This Personal Smoothie Blender 600W is perfect if you want quick, healthy drinks without the hassle. I love how compact it is, making it ideal for small kitchens or busy mornings. The 600-watt motor blends fruits, protein powders, and soft ice smoothly in seconds. It comes with travel cups so you can blend and go without switching containers. The blades are sharp, durable, and surprisingly powerful for its size. Cleanup is super easy, which honestly makes me use it more often. It's great for smoothies, shakes, and even light sauces. If you're just starting your healthy lifestyle or want something simple and reliable, this blender delivers solid performance without overwhelming features. It's affordable, efficient, and designed for everyday convenience. A great choice for personal use and fast blending needs. Professional High Power Blender. This professional high power blender is built for serious blending tasks. I noticed right away how strong the motor feels when crushing ice or frozen fruits. It handles thick smoothies, nut butters, and soups with ease. The large jar is perfect for families or meal prep sessions. I really like the sturdy build quality, which gives confidence during heavy blending. Speed controls allow precise texture adjustments from chunky salsas to silky smoothies. The blades are designed to last and stay sharp over time. Noise levels are reasonable considering the power it delivers. If you want professional level results at home, this blender is a smart investment. It's versatile, durable, and powerful enough for daily use. Overall, it's a dependable option for anyone who blends frequently and wants consistent, smooth results every time. Professional High Power Blender. This second professional high power blender focuses on balance between power and control. I like how smoothly it transitions between speeds without splashing. The motor easily tackles frozen ingredients, leafy greens, and thick mixtures. Its design feels modern and solid, fitting nicely on any countertop. The jar capacity supports both single servings and larger batches. One thing I appreciate is the efficient airflow that helps prevent overheating during long blending sessions. It's great for smoothies, soups, dips, and even grinding ingredients. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to its simple blade assembly. If you want professional performance without complicated settings, this blender checks all the boxes. It's reliable, strong, and user-friendly, making it ideal for home cooks who want power without sacrificing simplicity. Mega Kitchen Power Blender. The Mega Kitchen Power Blender lives up to its name with impressive performance. I found it excellent for handling big blending jobs like family-sized smoothies or meal prep. The motor delivers consistent power even with ice and frozen produce. It includes multiple blending modes that make switching tasks easy. The jar feels thick and durable, designed for long-term use. I also like the non-slip base, which keeps everything stable during operation. It works great for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even dough-like mixtures. Noise is controlled well for a blender this powerful. If you want a blender that can do a bit of everything in the kitchen, this is a solid pick. It combines strength, capacity, and reliability into one versatile machine. High-Performance Kitchen Blender. This high-performance kitchen blender is designed for everyday versatility. I really enjoy how smooth it blends fruits and vegetables without leaving chunks. The motor power is strong enough for ice and frozen ingredients, yet gentle for softer recipes. Its control panel is simple, making it beginner-friendly. The jar size works well for both individual servings and family use. I noticed it performs consistently even during longer blending sessions. Cleaning is easy, which saves time after cooking. It's great for smoothies, soups, sauces, and dressings. If you want a dependable blender that fits seamlessly into daily kitchen routines, this one is a great option. It offers solid performance, durability, and ease of use at a very reasonable value point. High-Capacity Power Blender. This high-capacity power blender is perfect if you blend in large quantities. I love the extra-large jar, which makes batch cooking effortless. The motor is powerful enough to handle thick mixtures without slowing down. It crushes ice smoothly and blends frozen fruits evenly. The controls are intuitive, allowing quick adjustments while blending. I also appreciate the sturdy construction that feels built to last. It's excellent for smoothies, soups, sauces, and meal prep recipes. Despite its size, it's easy to clean and maintain. insane. If you often cook for family or events, this blender saves time and effort. It's reliable, strong, and designed for high-volume blending without sacrificing performance or consistency. Ultra Power Commercial Blender. This Ultra Power Commercial Blender is a beast in performance. I was impressed by how effortlessly it blends dense ingredients. Ice, nuts, and frozen fruits are no problem at all. The motor delivers commercial-level strength, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. It handles ice, nuts, and frozen fruits without hesitation. The jar is thick, durable, and designed for frequent use. I like the precise speed controls that help achieve perfect textures. It's great for smoothies, soups, nut butters, and more. While powerful, it remains stable during operation. If you want a blender that feels professional and can handle intense blending tasks, this is an excellent choice. It's built for performance, durability, and consistent results every time you use it. Smart Program Power Blender. This Smart Program Power Blender is one of my favorites for convenience and consistency. What really stands out to me are the intelligent preset programs that automatically adjust speed and blending time. I just press a button and it delivers perfectly smooth results every time. The powerful motor easily handles ice, frozen fruits, and thick ingredients without stalling. I love how smooth and controlled the blending feels even at higher speeds. The digital control panel is clean, modern, and very easy to understand. The jar is durable and spacious enough for family-sized recipes. Cleanup is simple thanks to the self-cleaning function. If you want powerful blending with minimal effort, this blender is a great choice. It's ideal for busy people who want reliable results without constantly adjusting settings. High-power silent blender. If noise is a big concern for you, the high-power silent blender is absolutely worth checking out. I was genuinely impressed by how quiet it runs compared to other high-powered blenders. The sound reduction design makes a noticeable difference, especially during early mornings. Despite being quieter, it doesn't sacrifice performance at all. It blends smoothies, frozen fruits, and ice smoothly and efficiently. The motor is strong and consistent, delivering creamy results without chunks. I also like how stable it feels on the counter while blending. The controls are simple and responsive, making it easy to adjust textures. The jar is sturdy and well built for daily use. If you want power without excessive noise, this blender offers a perfect balance of performance and comfort. Heavy-duty power blender. The heavy-duty power blender is built for tough blending jobs, and it definitely feels like it. I immediately noticed how solid and durable the construction is. The powerful motor handles thick smoothies, frozen ingredients, and ice without slowing down. It's great for people who blend frequently or work with dense recipes. The blade system is sharp and efficient, producing smooth results quickly. I appreciate the straightforward controls, which make it easy to adjust speed while blending. The large jar works well for both small and big batches. It stays stable on the counter even at high speeds. Cleanup is fast and simple, which is always appreciated after cooking. If you need a reliable blender that can handle heavy daily use, this one delivers strong and consistent performance. Portable Smoothie Power Blender. This portable smoothie power blender is all about convenience and mobility. I love how compact and lightweight it is, making it perfect for quick smoothies anytime. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive blending power for fruits, protein powders, and soft ingredients. The blending cup doubles as a travel bottle, which saves time and reduces mess. Cleanup is super easy since there are minimal parts. While it's not meant for heavy ice crushing, it performs very well for personal smoothies. If portability and simplicity matter most to you, this blender is a practical and efficient option. Fresh Furious Power Blender. The Fresh Furious Power Blender lives up to its name with fast, energetic performance. I noticed how quickly it blends ingredients into smooth and consistent textures. The motor power is strong enough to handle ice and frozen fruits with ease. Its sleek design looks great on the countertop and feels well built. The controls are easy to use, allowing quick speed changes during blending. I really like how evenly it blends without leaving chunks behind. The jar size is perfect for everyday recipes, from smoothies to sauces. Cleanup is straightforward, which encourages regular use. If you want a blender that delivers speed, power, and reliability without complicated features, this one is a solid choice. It's great for daily blending and busy kitchen routines. Commercial Timer Power Blender. The Commercial Timer Power Blender brings professional-level control into your kitchen. One feature I really appreciate is the built-in timer, which helps achieve consistent results every time. The powerful motor easily handles thick mixtures, ice, and frozen ingredients. It feels sturdy and designed for frequent, heavy use. The controls are clear and easy to manage, even during busy blending sessions. I like how the timer prevents prevents over-blending while maintaining perfect texture. The jar is durable and large enough for multiple servings. Stability is excellent, even at high speeds. Cleanup is simple, which saves time after cooking. If precision and consistency are important to you, this blender is a fantastic option. It's ideal for users who want commercial-style performance at home. 1800-watt high-speed blender. The 1800-watt high-speed blender is all about raw power and speed. I was impressed by how effortlessly it blends even the toughest ingredients. Ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and thick mixtures are no problem at all. The high-speed motor delivers ultra-smooth results in seconds. I really like the sturdy jar, which is built to handle high-speed blending safely. The controls allow precise adjustments for different textures and recipes. Despite its strong power, it stays stable during operation. Cleanup is quick, which is always appreciated after blending. If you're looking for maximum performance and professional-level results, this blender is an excellent choice. It's perfect for serious blending needs and delivers fast, reliable, and smooth results every time. That wraps up my list of the top 14 best blender machine you can find right now. I hope this breakdown helped you find the perfect blender for your kitchen and lifestyle. Remember, the best choice depends on how often you blend and what you make most. Don't forget to check the links in the description for pricing and updated details. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Top Product Reviews for more honest product guides. Drop a comment below and tell me which blender caught your eye. See you in the next review.